ngayon para kumain. I think our food is parang buffet style. Can we please give her a round of applause, everyone? So can you please introduce our food? Chicken. Chicken? Yimpo. Yimpo po. Pansit. Jezebel. Platform. Wherein doon kami pupunin to do the water activity. So ayun daw, malayo daw. Oh my God, parang oh my God, parang
Okay, naka...
So mga kadalive, ito na. After natin mag-speedboat, nandito na tayo sa tinatawag nilang platform where dito natin gagawin lahat yung mga yung mga water activities. Magpa-parasailing, banana boat, ano pa yun? Marisal pa nga. Dami pang gawin tayo. 12. So, ngayon, wait lang makapagod na. What time is it, Fran?
12:23.
It's 12:23 and it's like exhausting kasi medyo mahina. Pero laban lang. Go! So mga kadalive, ito na. So natin na yung the first water activity that we're gonna do is the banana boat, diba?
Yes.
Ilang po, like, gaano kabilis yung pakabot?
Siguro nasa 20 to 30, depende sa kaya niya.
It's parang 20 to 30 daw yung pakabot ng banana boat per hour. So, namin pag-ibot, hihilayin tayo ng speedboat. Tignan natin kung kakaroon tayo ng speedboat ng Kadalive.
I'm feeling on top of the world, like nothing's ever gonna bring me down. This feeling got me flying high as a bird. I may never touch the ground. It may not be my birthday, but I just wanna celebrate. It's a good day, good life. I just wanna celebrate all night. just wanna celebrate. I just wanna celebrate. 'Cause it's a good day, good life. I just wanna celebrate all night. I just wanna celebrate. I just wanna celebrate. 'Cause it's a good day, good life. I just wanna celebrate all night. I just wanna celebrate all night.
So we were able to do one activity speedboat because we're gonna do the parasailing. Our friend names. Dogs Real will be partner each other. And the two of us. Yeah. I kinancel ko mga kadalibi yung anong pangalan mo? UFO. Kasi according to it, nakaroon daw ng collection and paggaan. So I'm worried, alam mo na, mga kadalibi, meron tang kailangan protection na. Hindi na makakabit ng hindi natin inaasahan. So, bago pa mangyari yun, tumiwas na tayo.
Go da.
Oh my God! Dito daw.
I woke up feeling on top of the world, like nothing's ever gonna bring me down. This feeling got me flying high as a bird. I may never touch the ground. It may not be my birthday, but I just wanna celebrate. I just wanna celebrate, 'cause it's a good day, good life. I just wanna celebrate all night. There's magic coursing throughout my veins. I don't want it to stop. I feel invincible in every way. I'ma give it all I got. It may not be my birthday, but I just wanna celebrate. I just wanna celebrate, 'cause it's a good day, good life. I just wanna celebrate all night. There's nothing like feeling alive. There's nothing like feeling.
Ang sayo. Yung sa inyo, ibabalik ko namin yung mga kasi.
Okay lang.
Mga kadalibi ang sarap. It's so it's so refreshing. Pero ang sarap lang sa sa singkit at saka sa barracks, sa gluteus medius, gluteus maximus, and my sciatic nerve. Napagod kayo, mga kadali yun. Palukalo. So, thank you so much, guys. Wag mo na tayo umuwi. Alexi Vlog. Ilo.
Alexi May Kaimoso Brooks, Iloilo City!
Kuya, sama niyo naman ako. Pogi naman ni Baby Boy. Baby Boy, isama mo ako dyan. Sige na. Gasahan niyo ako.
Kuya, yung kasamahan nyo.
Sige na, gawin niyo sa akin kung ano gusto niyo gawin.
Kuya, bakit po? Hindi ata yan?
Kaya pa.
So, mga kadalive, hindi ko tinry yung UFO. Kasi according kina Kuya, meron daw siyang mga parang collection and all. So, inumit ko na lang siya. So, ang ginawa ko lang is na.
And it was a good decision.
Yes.
You decided not to push through with it, because had you pushed through with it, you would have regretted it big time, because it was really crazy. I mean,
It's just
crazy is
exhausting.
actually an understatement.
Yes, please.
Not only was it exhausting, it was way more than that.
It's nakakapagod. Sobra.
Yeah, it was
Stressful.
stressful. It was as if
It's life-threatening.
indeed. Yeah.
It's the best adjective
Yeah.
that you could. It's really life-threatening. That's why we admit. I didn't do it. I just did parasailing and what's the other one?
Banana boat.
How about you?
She's
But
tired.
are you still yourself? I don't hear you anymore.
I think I'm
I think
dying.
you lost, bruh.
I think Dry is out of coverage area. So we're heading back to the hotel, mga kadalive. Freshen up, tapos resting na kami. So, bye! Alam mo mga kadalive, yung best friend, hindi nawawal ng energy. So sasakay na tayo sa kulungan ng sasakay na tayo. Ito yung kinagila nating trip papunta sa US.
Human trafficking.
So gagawin na tayo sa Honduras. G5.
Pero kung makakain mo nga kanina, parang mamamag ka.
Make it sweat! Make it water, Nick!
Oh, tinitingnan niya ako eh.
Oy, best ba natin mga jajari siya? Jajari.
Nalampasan ka.
Tapos mga mamaya, parilin ako pa. Si Kuya nung naglalambing lang. Ako makatalo sa indo mo. Uy, joke lang yun. Naglalambing mo. Ang hirap mo naman lambingin.
Please.
Please.
Yes, Miss Jen. Ah? Sa kanya yan, yan yung bilang.
Yes, hello, mga kadalive. Hindi pa rin magiging si Anne Hathaway ngayon. So, after all the nakakapagod na eksena namin kaninang umaga, nag-water activities, island hopping. So, nakauwi na kami siguro at around 2:30. And then, pag-uwi namin, freshen up, nag-ipo muna, and then, nag-nap. So, we are well rested. So, ito, iikot naman kami for pictorial. Magpipicture-picture sa Dalampasigan at magpapaandar yan sa tabas. So, see you later! hello mga ka-Jollibee. It's already 6 p.m. na ng hapon and ang dami ng tao kasi pababa na yung araw. It's already sunset. So, ibali pakita mo yung ating kapaligiran na ang dami ng mga tao. Nature tequila. So, ang atake namin today, so ang gagawin namin today, maglalakad kami at pupunta kami sa may mga parang biglang grupo at magpapapicture. Tapos, of course, hahanap kami ng masarap na dinner tonight. So, see you later. Sama namin kayo doon. Bye! Hello mga ka-Jollibee! So, nakakita ko ng upuan. Siyempre, upo muna tayo. So, kahit actually napakainit yun. Parang pumalo ng ilang degrees na?
35.
35 lang naman. It's not as hot as it is in Luzon, but it still is hot.
Bes, can you please pakipalo yung
Yes, that's what I'm doing.
Yeah, gusto ko yun. So mga ka-Jollibee, medyo nakakapagod at saka nakaka-exhaust lang talaga yung yung paglalakad, lalo na napaka-init, no? So kailangan keep yourself hydrated. That's why I always bring my friend tumbler with lots of ice in it. Tapos, bumibili na lang kami ng water. Best, isn't it? What water did I place inside the tumbler?
This is all the water, 2 liters.
Okay. Let's go. So mga ka-Jollibee rin kami. Tayo sa dito muna tayo lahat para makapulmunya tayo. Yes, hello mga ka-Jollibee. So balik tayo sa mango mango. So ito try natin yung mango mango. Kung masarap siya. Halika pinagalan. Kapakita ko sa kanila. So ganito yung nature niya mga ka-Jollibee. So meron siyang black ice cream. I think this one is made gawa sa rice, black rice. Ito naman is coconut mango ice cream. May coconut milk, of course. Meron siyang crunchy na pit. Fresh mango. At saka meron siyang warm suman sa ibaba. Saka para siyang nilagyan ng gata. May drizzle ng gata. It complements kasi hindi masyadong matamis yung suman. Tapos yung ice cream nila. Masarap din yung ice cream. Hindi siya masyadong matamis. So dito yan sa Mango Mama only in Rapan. Let's see it.
Thank you so much po. Thank you po. Kunin niyo po ang ambassador.
Yes, hello. Good evening mga ka-Jollibee. So it's currently 7:47 in the evening and kakain na kami ng dinner. So we decided na dito na lang kami kumain kasi unang-una sa lahat napagod din kami today. So kakain with my team dito sa nagkakain this?
Sa
Peri-Peri. Tapos air condition doon mga ka-Jollibee para kontra hulas na rin, no? So tara, samahan niyo kami. Let's go! So it's our second night and naisipan namin dito na lang kumain sa Peri-Peri kasi doon na sa lahat malapit. Pero at the same time naka-aircon. So let's go.
Ikot!
Ang Nicole Kento na. Yung fries nila, thick cut siya.
I love
Masarap.
texture. It's velvety.
What is this one? Chicken skin? What's this?
Chicken skin.
Ano to? Proben.
Chicken skin.
Proven and tested.
And this one is dynamite.
Sarap.
Sarap, in fairness. Mga kadali din masarap siya. So titikman natin ngayon yung ano nila. What's this one? Ang sarap Dok ng kamo nila. Ang sarap yung chili ano nila Dok yung kutin. Very cheesy. So mga kadali, titikman muna natin yung kanilang mga sides. Ito yung coleslaw. Yung wrap. Mac and cheese. Grabe. Butter and pork, syempre. Butter at corn. Pero dry din. Kulang sa butter. Spanish rice. Masarap naman. Tapos ito yung chicken niya. Pinta namin. Ito yung chicken niya. So sa'yo na ito. Last na kami. Yung chicken ng peri-peri in fairness hindi dry. Mga kapalad eh. Very ano siya. Very juicy.
Yak, metong nga mo naman yung pagpat. Metong nga.